Okay, hey. So I've decided to make a video of the special delivery party. So if we just go into a empty server and we'll have a go. It's best to be a bird because there are some chests in here that the birds can get to much easier. Okay. Now, I always use my map. Always. And I do it row by row. It's a bit laggy. Hopefully I don't miss any. It's so annoying when you just miss one. Extra laggy because I'm recording. So yeah, I just use my map over on the edge, up the left side. Till I can get to the top as I can, which is probably here, I think. Then I just go up a little bit, then I just come back down. I used to just fly around and collect them, but I'd always miss one. I'd be stuck on the last one. It was really annoying. So I'm like, nope, I'm gonna use my map this time. And do it in rows. Oh, I really missed some over there. I'm probably gonna miss some because I'm talking. I better make sure I got that one. Yep. Okay. Now I've lost my way. So anyway, I go back up here because I just got to get this little middle bit just to even the map out. Good prize. What is it? Ooh, a mailbox. And ooh, a heart gun. As you can go, and then come back down. Well, this is what I've found is the easiest. I haven't timed how long it takes actually. Grab that one. Oops, I lost you. Okay, so that's the bottom. Let me go back up. I think that one counted. Lagged. So it's a fairly easy adventure. I just come on when I'm bored. If no one's on, just come on. Just grab that one. I have a feeling I missed. We'll find out. Okay, then my lag's kicking in. Oh yeah, I hate lag. Okay. Five more to go. I really think I moved over too much. Let's see. that was quick. Okay, what do we got? An igloo. And heart windows. How'd I miss? Okay. It's okay. So yeah, it's pretty cruisy adventure. I'm not normally this lagged, but it's just the recording is not helping. I'll win that, Matt. If I win those. Uh-oh, I see something that I missed. Well, that's not good. Okay. This should be the last little bit, if I've done it right. I think there's normally a chest. I think it's there. I think. But you have to be a flying animal to be able to get to that one. Pretty sure it's that one. No, maybe I'm wrong actually. Maybe it was up here more. Okay. Okay, if you're a land animal, you have to have 2 people to jump there, but if you're a bird, you have to just fly it. Fly down here and collect your prize. What is it? Wow, a moon necklace. And I've lost my path now. Okay. Yep. Straight down here. Oh, there's the chest. Oh. What is it? I think it's either gems or friendship. It can either be gems or it can be friendship clothing items. I feel like I've really lost the path here. Over there. Let's make sure. We've got 3. 2 and oh, not again. Stuck on the last one. This always happens. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Didn't follow my path properly. It's always the one. Actually, by the looks of my map, there's about a little black space over here. Could be. Nope. The bottom. Oh, I hate it when it does that. It goes so well. I knew that was going to happen though, because I could tell I was going too far away in my lines that I was doing. I knew it. And this glitch, see, that was behind that before. I probably missed one from that. Down here. Nope. Oh. Okay, there's a little spot over here. What's that spot? And now I have to fly around looking for the one I missed. But yeah, otherwise it's usually quick. Where are you? Wow. I should be redoing the path, it'd be a lot quicker, but just try my luck of randomly flying. Where are you? Oh. I've lost it. So much for a quick video. Are you? Uh-huh. Here we go. Friendship bracelets. And a heart spotlight. There you go. So yeah, that's that adventure. The other one's a bit more... I'll make that in a separate video actually, because I've run out of time. Oops. The rim. The rim. Did I miss the rim? Might be too late. Oh, there it is. It's the rim. Heart. Not even gonna say what color that is. Not gonna do it. Alright, so that's it for this video. And I'll probably make another one of the other adventure. And I'll see you then. Ciao!